Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT on iPhone. So as you can see right here, if you search on ChatGPT on Google, you're going to see right here the ChatGPT mobile app. You will see the multiple options that serve ChatGPT. Alright, so if I click on ChatGPT, the original app, which is from powered by OpenAI, you're going to see that this app is not available to my country. So if I go to OpenAI and download it to App Store, it says right here app is not available to our country. But thankfully there's multiple apps that are available to across the world that serve the same way that OpenAI or ChatGPT serves. So you can choose either of them and chat with the Ask AI or maybe any other app, ChatGPT right here, which is chat on. You can always do that and helps you with with basically all of your stuff. So you can download either of them, and if you search on, let's say, ChatGPT, all right, on App Store, you will see multiple options that powered by Power AI, OpenAI, sorry, that can help you 10 times better than original app basically. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.